Hi guys, this is IBN Nails with Naomi, and today I'm going to show you how to create a feature nail with a leopard print design. Okay, so first of all, I've applied 2 coats of cappuccino. If you haven't seen my application video already, I'll put a link to it in the box below. In this video, I used cappuccino, black wool, and cocoa. I purchased all of these from Katie Lou, and I'll put a link to her shop in the box below, so make sure you have a look. So here you can see I've just mixed a couple of the colours together. These are cappuccino, black wool and cocoa. You only need to add a tiny bit of black wool and just add them one little bit at a time until you've got the colour that you like. You're going to take your dotting tools. You're going to need 2. You can do this with brushes, but I like to do mine with dotting tools. You're going to need a rounded dotting tool and a pointed dotting tool. You're going to start with your rounded and take the colour that you like and just start to add it randomly to the nail you want to be your feature nail. You want to add it as sort of squiggly lines and make sure you spread it out across the nail. Once you've applied all your little lines randomly, you're going to take your pointed dotting tool and your black wool, and you're just going to surround each one of the little lines that you've just done with the brown with the black. Make sure you don't go all the way around, because this isn't what leopard print looks like. And also at the very end, if you see that you've got any gaps that you'd like to fill in, just put a couple of dots of the black wool around the nail. Okay, so once you've surrounded all of the brown dots on the nail, you're going to put this in your lamp and cure it for 2 minutes. Once it's cured, you're going to take a top coat. Apply it to all the nails and make sure that you cap the end of the nail to stop anything from getting underneath there. Remember not to apply this layer too thick, as it can wrinkle under the lamp. Make sure you leave your thumb out for now because you're going to add some gems. I'm using black gems, but you could use gold or any colour you like. Just going to take a dotting tool and stick the gems to the base of all of the nails without the leopard print on. You're not doing your thumb yet because the gems will slide before it gets a chance to cure under the lamp. Cure this for 2 minutes and then you can do the same with your thumb. Normally I would do this before curing the second lamp of the cappuccino, but for this video I'll show you how to do it like this. Make sure you cap the end of the nail. You're going to apply your gem to the base of the nail and cure that for 2 minutes. Make sure to keep the thumb flat in the lamp, otherwise the gem can slide. So once you've cured that for 2 minutes, you're going to go back in with your top coat. You want to make sure you surround that gem really well to make sure it lasts for the whole 2 weeks. And again, cap the end of the nail. You can do your thumb at this point because your gem is set and it won't move now. and you're going to cure this under your lamp for 2 minutes. Once it's cured, you're going to take your nail cleanser. You'd normally use a lint-free pad, but I have run out, so I'm using a cotton wool pad, and just rub the nails over to remove your sticky layer. Once you've done that, you're going to use your cuticle oil. Make sure to always use cuticle oil when you're using any sort of shellac. Just rub it into all of the nails and the very ends of the nails, because you've applied IBN shellac here too. Here are some close-up pictures for you to have a look at. Don't forget to check out all my links in the description box below. You can find out where I buy my IBN shellac and where I get everything else from. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave any comments in the box below. Bye!